Good morning, grade 5. Our lesson for today is about descriptive adjectives. What is adjectives? Adjectives describes or modifies a noun or a pronoun. Adjectives are divided into two, limiting and descriptive adjectives. Descriptive adjectives present the quality of the nouns or pronouns. Example: that is a fast car. Fast, adjective. Car, noun. The fast present or describe the quality of the car. While limiting adjectives defines the noun rather than describes it. Example: a dog, an apple, the happy girl, some apples, and few apples. They are what we call articles. Descriptive adjectives can also be colors or shapes. Example: brown boxes, the blue sky, green apples. Round containers, a square room. Again, adjectives are colors and shapes. Adjectives are also sizes and conditions. Example: tiny egg, huge gorilla, the frightened man, energetic dog, silly behavior. Other example of descriptive adjectives: inspiring stories, red ribbon. Please note that descriptive adjectives from a proper noun is called a proper adjectives. It begins with a capital letter. Examples: American burger, Filipino costume, Spanish lace, Japanese cuisine. Thank you very much, grade 5, for listening. God bless you and see you again next time.